A leaked confidential list from within Parliament shows that select members of Parliament and senators, including those from opposition parties, were discreetly instructed to collect new vehicles this week, reportedly at the direction of the office of the president. Sarabina mashoko ari kuda pana pachiexposa list remaopposition MPs nevangu vose vakapiwa motokari aiwa muchivande nemutungamiri wenyika nobva subscribe walaika watomba bhela kuti ibina pana pamuzimba kudanyura chiti. According to a source within parliament who spoke on condition of anonymity, the vehicle allocation was communicated on Tuesday. The source claimed Mnangagwa wants to silence parliamentarians who lead key portfolio committees. Remember, that is 2030, they said, in reference to the president's Vision 2030 agenda. Also, Mnangagwa fraudulently endorsed the Parenyato Hospital refurbishment tender. He is now strategically throwing the dice to silence MPs who might raise alarm. The leaked list includes a mix of ZANU-PF loyalists and high-profile opposition MPs and senators, raising eyebrows about growing bipartisan complicity in what analysts describe as an institutional capture of parliament. Vanoposta mapictures amuri kuona the National Assembly panel, the Senate panel, chief whips and opposition leaders vamuri kuona avo National Assembly, Senate panel, vakatasa chairpersons panel ye9th parliament. Muri kuona ukomana ve-National Assembly, muri kuona the Senate, muri kuona the portfolio committee chairs, Master Isa muri kuona apa the thematic committee chairpersons. Imota dzese idzi dziri kunzi dzakapiwa these individuals to silence them. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ina tinoona kuti vanozonyora chiti critics argue that the timing and secrecy of the allocation point to a broader scheme to erode parliamentary independence, especially as questions swell around high-stakes government contracts such as the controversial Parenyato Hospital refurbishment tender. Ndomashoko ari kuda panguva inoi. Mbudzi mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakomesa kushemera mafunguro enyu, subscribe, like, chitomba bell icon.